Welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we're going to discuss about the calling scams. Calling scams are very popular basically in every country nowadays, and in this video I'm going to show several examples of the calling schemes, that how you can call someone and make them fool and steal their money. Like the first example of the calling scams is by the Facebook. Now you'll be thinking how Facebook can be used to make someone as a calling victim. Like just type anything on the Google, like China shoes, any country you want to target with, like China, US, Russia, whatever, then shoes, gold, whatever, and open like normal websites out of them, not the very big ones. Like I just click the made in China and it opens like this way, and then you just go down and you'll see their Facebook page link somewhere. Like if you just click on the Facebook link and the Facebook link opens, it's their Facebook page, and let's see how many likes they have. Oh my god, they have almost to 600,000. So it's a very big company, seems to be, but you should target like little smaller ones who should be having maximum up to 100,000. That's it. You'll also get their phone number as well. So what you have to just do is just call them and tell them that you are speaking from the Facebook team. Also try to call from a US number, it would be more good. You can type on Google, buy a US number or call from US number. You'll see so many websites which you can use to call in just like $1 or $2 a month. That's it. So you just have to call them and you just say them and say into American accent that you are speaking from a Facebook office, and we have noticed that your posts are not legal according to us and your posts are violating our terms. So we are going to proceed to delete your Facebook page. Can we proceed? They'll say no, please wait, because we have maintained this page from so many years, like 5 years, 6 years. We are a business company and this is our business page. From like 6-7 years we have gained as much number of likes. If we delete it and we again rebuild it, it will take so much of our time to again get so much number of likes. So you'll say okay, no problem, we'll give you one chance to improve the type of the posts which you post. Please next time do not post like these ways, and try to post some more better ones which which look more good. They'll think that we have not posted something bad, but they'll say okay, no problem, as we are saying we do not have to argue and will be better in the future. But you'll say okay, but before we cut the call, please tell your email ID. You'll tell to the customer that please tell your email ID, so that we are sending you our terms and services. You have to read them and accept them. They'll say okay, and make sure that you'll not do it in the future. They'll say okay, please send us. They'll give you your email ID like ABC or info@madeinchina.com. Then what you'll do is you'll send them a fake phishing page link. Once they click it, they'll see Facebook or work, they'll fill something, they'll log in, they'll get a second page that facebook.com assumes responsibility and you do not need to do this, that, etc. Please accept all the terms and submit. So before that they have entered the username and password which have already gone to the attacker. Once they submit, they'll just see the real facebook.com. They'll be redirected to real Facebook, and he's doing it everything on the call. The call is still running, and you just say them, thank you very much sir, you are safe now, we are not going to delete your page. So after you disconnect the call, what the person do, they have their username and password, they log in with their username and password in the Facebook, they make himself as the admin of the page, and then they remove the original person from the admin rights. Then you are the one who have their Facebook page control and the owner do not have it. And then you again call them that please check your Facebook account what we have posted, and maybe you have posted something invalid and very bad. They'll request you that why you are doing that way, please return us our page, we cannot delete that illegal stuff from our page. You say no, we'll not give you the page back till the point you do not pay $10,000 or $5,000, etc., depending upon the client. So obviously they cannot lose their page which they have gained the publicity in last 5-6 years. And even it's not even about to losing the page. If you'll be keep on posting bad things, it will also even more spoil their brand. Even they'll lose the page and even it will spoil it even. So most of the 90% of the victims basically agrees to pay. I have seen so much type of scams in my country. Even there a lot of people do it, and still people pay them because they cannot lose their page. So this is just one of the example basically in which you just need a Facebook business page like this. I have built for one of my client in the past. I can maybe also give it to you. There is one more scam in our country, very popular going on. It's about like someone calls you and he says that we are from the main bank of your country, and we have noticed that you have not submitted your proper proofs and the files, etc. while in your bank account, while initiating your bank account. So what we are going to do is we are going to disable all your ATM cards and credit cards in 24 hours, so that till the point you'll not go to your bank branch and you'll not submit everything whatever it's required. Your ATM cards will remain disabled for 1 week, and they request you, please don't do that, and I'll go to my bank very soon. They'll say, okay, no problem, we'll appreciate your request, and what you have to do is please tell all your ATM card numbers and their CVV numbers, etc., so that we'll put them in the database. He fears a lot, so he tells you all his ATM numbers, and after 1 hour he sees a message on his phone that much amount of shopping is being done. So this is also one of the scam which goes on the very innocent people who do not know that by just telling their ATM numbers this could be happened. So this is second type of thing which also very common nowadays. And maybe you'll be thinking that what if you got someone's credit card or ATM card and you're trying to use it on the internet, maybe you'll get a OTP, or the person gets the OTP who owns it on his mobile phone. That's also right, but there are still some websites where you use the same card, and that websites are so trusted, like apple.com and other ones, that the OTP will not come and the purchase could go direct. So that's the second type of. There is also one more type of scam which I have not seen yet by someone, but I just heard about it from one of my students. He claimed that he did it. But if you have noticed one thing in my trainings, they are very genuine and clean. I am only showing you that things which are possible in the real life. There is nothing imaginary or dummy. But only this is type of, a calling scam, the third one which I'm going to discuss with you, which one of my students have discussed with me, but I have not seen it with my eyes. So, but I'm going to discuss with you because maybe it could help you in something. So what he told me is that there are a lot of carding websites. In the past videos I have shown you that how you can buy a credit card in just $10-12 of someone. After doing that, there is a SSN buying list. Like, you can go to any of the sites and you can find that person there of the same city of same name, and you can just put it here and you buy his SSN number as well. This is just social security number of the citizens living in the US. These are the websites who have almost every person's database of SSN living there in the US, and you purchase the same card, because once you will be using the card over somewhere on the internet or you're doing some purchase, sometimes for security reasons bank and the website asks you for the SSN number, because they think that SSN number only the owner of the card could be having, no one else. So if you have the SSN number, the purchasing can go more smooth. And even what my friend said, that he haven't did even the purchasing out of it. What he said, that they buys a credit card, they buys his SSN number, then they calls the bank from the US number that hello, my name is Mr. Richard or whatever the name from the card you have bought, and I have lost my I traveled to a different city and I have lost my card, so and I need it urgently, my money. I wish to be, my old card should be blocked urgently and I should be reissued with a new card. They say, okay, please confirm your address, please confirm your SSN number and everything. He confirms everything as he have bought it. The personal details as well you can buy. I'll give you the website very soon here, from where you can also buy the address details and everything of a person of living in the US as well. So they say, okay, that's fine. We can verify that you are the real person, and this is your card number, this is everything. You can also send someone to collect from the bank, or we can tell you it's all the digits and CVV, etc., so that you can use it there in the different city where you are currently, so that you'll not feel short with the money. He gets thank you for the assistance to the bank, and you use the card numbers and you just make any purchase out of it. Sometimes bank again stop it if you make a purchase with that, maybe at an Apple shop or somewhere with like $10,000, $20,000, because they have a system like when some suspect purchases are being done, stop it. Then he again calls the bank. Then I'm the owner who is doing it. Please unblock it. I don't wish that as much type of purchase I make, I don't like that it should be blocked. They'd say again, okay, you're verifying with your SSN number. We're again making you more limits. Do as much you want to do. He makes a big purchase, sends to Aramax or a FedEx, and they ships you back to the Nigeria somewhere to the anyone who is doing it, and then they sell the products and they make the money. So even they are able to make fool to the banks that you are the real person, and they are able to even get the real card from the bank even, which seems to be very imaginary, but sometime I think maybe it could be possible even, as he said that he have done it several times, one of my students. So I hope you also like this video regarding the calling scams as well. So it depends upon you. If you also want to, if you feel them important, you could also try to use them. I'll not say that there is a very big shit of money here, but still it's a good money. Yeah. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.